set up for today. So that wedge breakout that we were talking about yesterday was an indication to be careful, and rightly so. So we had not yesterday, on Wednesday, but we basically had Thursday, Wednesday, Tuesday. So we basically had a inside bar there, and then a confirmation bar. So I think we're probably going to find a little bit more of a pullback today. If we can get through this area here of 12.88, we'll probably test the bottom of this wedge, and then we'll have to wait and see what transpires. Now remember, I'm not looking for shorts on this market, so not at the moment yet anyway. So for now, I'm looking for opportunities to buy. So for me, it's just wait and see, waiting for the structure that indicating it's time to get in to buy. So at the moment, I don't think there is any structure. Probably a second move here as well. Which has already happened. So yeah, I think this level here of 12,888 is a fairly strong level, and we need to pay attention to it. And this area that we're in right now, 1300, is also another fairly strong area that we need to pay attention to. So for me, today is more than likely wait patiently and see what transpires. There is quite a bit of opportunities here for support to be found. So we're going to have to wait and see what that area of support is going to be. There's quite a bit here, and then there's quite a bit to the downside here. So this is the sort of the zone that I'll be looking at the moment. Anything between 12,783 and 12,888. That's kind of the area that I'm going to be watching. These two little pin bars here is also something to pay attention to. We'll have to see what happens at the open, if that is anything. But for me, that was just profit taking for the guys that were short. You probably find there were some people short here, and then they waited for a second move, and there's a second move. So yeah, I think it's pretty much wait and see for me today. Probably not even going to bother trading at all. So we'll have to wait and see what transpires. I think for now, this thing is looking pretty interesting, and we'll probably find an opportunity to get in lower down. Now, just one thing here. There is still a gap which in my eyes has not closed. Okay, and it kind of will line up with this bottom trend line as well. So it wouldn't surprise me to see us hit 12,761, 12,783, somewhere around there. But I'm definitely not chasing that. I'm not in an uptrend anyway. So remember, for me, I'm taking my trend off the 3 hour, and right now it is moving up. It is an uptrend. Until we can comfortably say that we're moving down and then we start breaking through this trend line here, I am looking for longs. Okay, anyway, so for me today, this is wait and see what transpires during the European session. We'll have to just be patient and see what transpires. If it does start moving down, I'm not chasing it. I will just wait for Monday for an opportunity to get in and look for that level of support that will allow us to buy into this. Okay, anyway, guys, that's it for me today. Pretty quiet day, I think I'm going to have today, and I hope that helps you. Anyway, cheers for now.